Uşaqlar necə? Uşaqlar bu gün sizlərlə birlikdə qoruma olacaq. Şeyə gələn adamları, elə bil, içəriyə girən adamları yoxlayacaq. Şey olsalar əgər, güvənli olsalar bundan vuracaq, güvənli olmasa bundan vuracaq. Davay.
It's my first time here, and I'd love the chance to discover what makes it special.
Altmış FPS var mı? Oynamıyor. Davay ne oldu kaka? Silah nerede?
I'm happy to share. It's all yours.
Vururum sana mı? Ne yazdık sen yeri. Ama silah olmaz. Alırsın da ver.
Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead.
Al. Bak hele.
I'm happy to share. It's all yours. Thanks. I'm curious why you chose this for me. Penny saved, penny earned. I'm fine with it if it helps you out somehow. You must have a good reason for this. I trust you. Hope you got good price for it. Guess I was overdressed. Thanks for helping me cool off. You must have a good reason for this. I trust you. Penny saved, penny earned. I'm fine with it if it helps you out somehow. Cash money. Nice find. I hope it's useful to you. No problem. I hope the rest of your night goes well.
No problem.
This looks like the perfect spot for a grave. Could you let me in? Poor fly. No more bug. Poor fly.
Sonya ben Arap paltarı giyinibsən. Yani belə şey stop.
No problem. I wasn't using it anyway.
Zibilə qalsın. Ver.
Here you go. I hope it helps you.
Stapan sanmıyorum bura.
Great choice. I'm sure it'll help somehow.
Sen. Bunlar oldu. Sana başım.
That's refreshing.
Lazerinin gözü deşeceğim. Neyse olmur. Mındar oğlu mındar. Gidene. Silahlarım var burada.
You picked that up with
Bla işte Mahmutça. Ben bakınırım. Yer ona.
I'm interested to see what you... I totally understand. This must be a tough job.
Normal bir adam gelmiş bu koyma içeriye.
I can't wait to see what everyone's talking about inside.
Gelin hiç size bakmıram. Gel. Cebra. Ala. Vurdum da.
I'm excited to hear the music from the inside. Could I come through?
Nerede?
Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead.
Kalsın kırıqda ama biz belə silahlarını qoymuruq. Ördəyinə soxsun bura.
I'm fine with it if it helps you out somehow. Cool. I'm always up for trying something new. No problem. I wasn't using it anyway. I'll wear it proudly. You've got good taste. Oh yeah, I guess I am getting in. A bold move, but I won't complain if it's for a purpose. Nice find. I hope it's useful to you. Your approval means a lot. I'll have a blast in there.
The anticipation is thrilling. I'd love to see what awaits inside. Let me know if you need an opinion. I'm here to help. Take your time. It's always fun to explore options. Hope it's exactly what you were looking for.
Poor
fly.
Bak az bir de gelmiş. Ne keşke. Bir iki tane alalım da bundan da alalım.
Nice find. Looks like you made a smart choice.
Ne evlerim bu mesela? Ceza.
Feels good. You have a knack for
Ben
this.
takabilirim ki cabra. Cevapsız kulağa takmışsan. Yaraşıklı. Onu istersen...
That's a nice touch. I appreciate the style.
Ay kuşlar ne? Sözün bir kuşsunuz. Ver onu. Ver onu. Ver onu.
No worries. I didn't really need that right now.
Başla. Ay kuşlar ver. Bırak demirəm ben sana. Hani hemen bu şeyim.
A razor, huh? Steady hands, please. Fresh new look.
Sakalı bırak.
Why would you do that?
Azdan.
Cool. I was thinking I needed a trim anyway. Hey, a new look. Thanks for the fresh style.
Danışma dediğim.
Why would you do that?
Ne?
Cool. I was thinking I needed a trim anyway.
Kaşları getirir burası.
Hey, a new look. Thanks for the fresh style.
Ona yaraşıklı oldun
Fresh
sen.
new look. Cool. I was thinking I needed a trim anyway.
Ne sen? Hepsi yok. Tamam gidebilirsin bir yavru olacaksın olsun neyse.
Am I getting in? This is fantastic. I knew tonight would be great.
Hepsi yok. Dede ne? Bunu der. Bu da böyle.
That green stamp is what I need to make this evening perfect.
$200 olayım. Davay. Sen de bundan takak. Cevre. Hara gitsin VIP'ler öteye.
This looks like the perfect spot for a great night. Could you let me in?
Al. Tak. Bu ucunda paltana gidemezsin. Ceza.
It's a bit unexpected, but I'll roll with it.
Çevir bunu. Ana çevir bunu.
Let me know if you need an opinion. I'm here to help. It's the perfect season for a nice jacket.
Kişinin özünü sürəm ben.
Hope it's exactly what you were looking for.
Götür bunu.
Guess I was overdressed. Thanks for helping me cool off.
Gede bu paltanın üstüne gede.
Oh, nice. I understand. Maybe next time I'll make it in.
Bu paltanın sen burada duramazsın.
And so much
Ay
inside.
daha yine geldi yufkalı. Ver o roşeti bura.
Here you go. I hope it helps you.
Bu roşet kalsın burada. Aa balık. Aa balık.
Looks like you've got a good eye for quality.
Ye balığı. Ye. Ya balığı. O ne balığıydı?
Whoa, that was a rough
Balığı
nap.
yedim ra.
What did I do to deserve this?
Balığı yedim sana. Gel fight. Böyle bunun yufkasına bak.
That was surprisingly
Gede
painful.
buradan.
I don't like this violence.
Gede buradan.
Why did you do that? I get it. You have
Boy
your
bir
reasons, no
naşıdacağım.
hard feelings.
Seni.
That was so uncalled for.
Ne güçlü coşmuş o. Sana ne olup bala? Bu ne halde? VIP sen. VIP de. VIP de. Ay basırdım da.
They say there's a fantastic crowd in there. I'm hoping to join them.
Kaskına bak hele. Ver bırak
Here you go.
kaskı.
I hope it helps you.
Al
Penny saved, penny earned.
Kadınlara al kaydırma.
Nice.
Bu ne de?
Oh, you need
Böyle
that?
şeyleri
Sure, go
yapamazsın
ahead.
sen. Kal orada sen. Ne gidebilirsin?
Oh, yeah. I guess I am getting in.
Gittin.
I knew I could trust your judgment. Thank you so much.
Here
you go. I hope it helps you. Feel free. It's not a big deal. Nice. I appreciate it. I've been looking forward to this for ages.
Could I please join the others inside and share in their enjoyment? Oh no! Mother Day. I'm excited to experience what everyone's been talking about.
Buna dövmelerdi ha, bıraca, buna dövmelerdi.
What do you have there?
Bu nədir? Bunlar nədirlər? Uşaqsan eləsən, ya bura. Bax, əssa, belə o. O da bunlar həqi dövmədirdi. Həqi dövmə olsaydılar, çıxmazdılar. Get. Gözlə. Bunu da evinə al.
Anything for you. I'm glad I could assist.
Su partisən yesən sənə.
Oh yeah, I guess I am getting it. This is fantastic.
Davay.
I knew tonight would be great.
Sən buraya gəl, sən də döyüm qoy videonu sonlandırım. Buraya gəl. Buraya gəl.
I've been told the scene inside is unmatched. I'd be grateful to see it.
Üstünü axtarmıram. Virüs yatıracağım sana.
What do you have there? Cool. I'm always up for trying something new. Here you go. I hope it helps you.
Gel buradan. Açıkı da ver.
Anything for you? I'm glad I could assist. Oh, come on. I'm gonna mess you up, bro. You just made the worst move of your night. How dare you?
Neyse uşaqlar. Video bu kadardı. Ümidvarım seveceğiz bir videolar. Sağ olun, salamat qalın. Kanala da abunə olub like atmayı unutmayın. Sevilirsiniz.